Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're talking about the best Palmolive Dishwasher Liquid, the Palmolive Dishwashing Soap Essential Clean Original Scent. If you're looking for a reliable, affordable, and effective dishwashing liquid, stick around because this one is a game changer. This Palmolive dish soap is available in a pack of 3 28-ounce bottles, which means you get more for your money, and you're all set for your dishwashing needs. The original scent is fresh and clean, not overpowering, just the perfect balance to leave your dishes smelling great. Whether you're dealing with greasy pots and pans or just a few plates, Palmolive Essential Clean gets the job done with ease. What makes this product stand out is its concentrated formula. You don't need to use a lot to get the job done. A small amount goes a long way, cutting down on waste while ensuring that your dishes come out sparkling clean. It's designed to fight grease, making it perfect for all types of dishwashing, from everyday meals to more challenging cleanups. Not only does it clean well, but it's also gentle on your hands. If you've ever used dishwashing liquid that leaves your hands dry and cracked, you'll appreciate the soft feel of your skin after using Palmolive Essential Clean. Its formula is tough on grease, yet mild enough for your skin, making it ideal for those who wash dishes frequently. What's even better is that Palmolive is a well-established brand known for its quality, so you can trust it to deliver great results. And, if you're looking to save time and effort, the liquid dissolves grease and grime quickly, cutting down on scrubbing time. This makes it perfect for busy households or anyone who wants to spend less time in the kitchen and more time enjoying their meal. Plus, it's available with free shipping on qualified orders, making it a convenient and cost-effective choice. It's highly rated by users who have found it to be a reliable addition to their kitchen, so you can count on its performance in your home. In conclusion, if you want the best Palmolive dishwasher liquid that offers long-lasting, effective cleaning, while keeping your hands safe, the Palmolive Dishwashing Soap Essential Clean Original Scent is definitely the one to go for. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more product reviews like this.